The domain of the function f of x is given, then the value of a plus b plus c plus d plus is what we should find. Okay, now we can take all the possible condition. It is under the root, so we will take log of 0.6 mod 2x minus 5 by x square minus 4 value must be greater than or equal to 0 is the first condition. Next, mod is there, so result is always non-negative, but wherever it will be 0, log is undefined, right? So wherever it will be 0 means numerator is 0. So 2x minus 5 is 0 means it is undefined, so 2x minus 5 must be not 0, so x is not equal to 5 by 2. Okay, next, from this condition, base is decimal now. Whenever the base is decimal, the logarithmic graph is decreasing function. When it is decreasing function, if you are applying for the inequality must be changed, right? So apply the exponential function with base is 0.6. So that what happened now, mod 2x minus 5 by x square minus 4 is less than or equal to 0.6 power 0, that will be 1. Now mod x less than or equal to alpha type is there, so we will take the conditions like this. It is compared to minus 1, it should be greater inside value. So first condition, and second condition is what, 2x minus 5 by x square minus 4 value must be smaller than 1. Okay, smaller than or equal to 1. Now from these two conditions we will get the values observed. This minus 1, if you bring it to that side, it will be more than 0, right? So 2x minus 5 by x square minus 4 plus 1, which is greater than or equal to 0. Taking LCM now, 2x minus 5 plus x square minus 4 by x square minus 4 is greater than or equal to 0, right? Now x square is there plus 2x is there. If you want to write in a perfect square, we need plus 1 now. So we will write first x plus 1 whole square, that means x square is there plus 2x is there plus 1 is there. So to make the balance we have to do minus 1 also. Already minus 5 minus 4 minus 10, one more minus 1 is minus 10 by denominator x minus 2 into x plus 2 we can take, which is greater than or equal to 0. Now take a real number line and plot the all critical points, then we will get the x values. Okay, now critical point means what, where the numerator is 0 or where the denominator is 0. Numerator whenever 0, x plus 2 whole square is equal to 10, that means x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 10, then x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 10, right? These are the critical points, both minus 1 plus root 10, minus 1 minus root 10. So take a real number line, plot the critical points. Minus 1 minus root 10 is one critical point, and minus 1 plus root 10 is the another critical point. Next, where denominator is 0, so these 2 points included, right? Okay, no issue. Where denominator is 0, whenever x is minus 2, whenever x is plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2, these both are what, in between these two only na, and these points are excluded. So keep open bubble, that means the points are excluded, right? Next, now the entire result must be positive, like that x values only we should take, right? Example we can take which is smaller than minus 1 minus root 10. Root 10 means what, 3 point something, right? Minus 1 minus 3 point minus 4 point something. So let's take minus 5 suppose. Minus 5 taking means 1 minus 5 is what, 4, 4 square is 16, 16 minus 10 is positive. Numerator is positive. Denominator is what, minus 5 taking means it will be negative, and it will be negative, negative into negative, positive, positive, positive is positive, we will get it. Similarly, in between these two, it is minus 4 point something, no. So minus 3 you can take example. Minus 3 taking means what happened now, here numerator is negative, denominator is what, negative, and minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5 negative, and here also what happened now, negative, negative into negative, positive we will get. So negative by positive is negative we will get. Next, if you are taking 0, 0 means what, numerator is negative, denominator is what happened, negative into positive, negative, negative by negative is positive. Similarly, we also can take here the value anything in between 2 to minus 1 plus root 10, it is negative, and here positive we will get it. So finally we can observe wherever positive, that is the required thing. So let's take a real number, let's find the x values now. X is belongs to wherever positive is there, that is the required thing, right? So from minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 10 is included. Okay, union. Next, positive where you got minus 2 to 2 open brackets, union minus 1 plus root 10, it is a closed bracket because the point is included up to infinity. This is the domain as of now. Okay, now we have to take the common values final, right, from the all conditions. This is, let's calculate. So this plus 1, if you bring this side, 2x minus 5 by x square minus 4 minus 1 is less than or equal to 0, and let's take LCM here. 2x minus 5 minus x square plus 4 by x square minus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Okay, now minus x square plus 2x minus 1 is there, right? So let's take minus is common from the numerator, so that we will get plus x square minus 2x, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, it will turn to plus 1, and minus if you are applying to right side, inequalities must be changed. greater than or equal to 0 will happen, right? Now see, numerator we can write as what? X minus 1 whole square. That is the one we can write, x minus 1 whole square by x minus 2 into x plus 2, which is greater than or equal to 0 we can write. Okay, now let's take a real number line and plot the all critical points here. It is greater than or equal to 0 now. So here critical points is 1 and minus 2 and 2. Here minus 2 and 2 are not possible, so open bubble, but 1 is possible, right? So dark bubble. Next you can see now 1 is possible, right? Okay, now if you are taking any value which is smaller than minus 2, numerator is always non-negative only, so denominator alone we can check it. When you take minus 3, it is negative, it is also negative, negative into negative, positive. Now minus 2 to 1 means 0, you can take, it is negative, it is positive, negative into positive is negative. 1 to 2 if you take means 1.5 means it is negative, it is positive, negative into positive, again negative. 2 to anything value take means 3 example taking means positive, positive, positive we will get, right? So here x is belongs to minus infinity to minus 2, open bracket, union 1 is possible, so singleton set 1 you can take, union 2 to infinity. Okay, now from these two we have to take the common domain, common values, that will be the domain of the entire function. Now plot all the critical points here. First, minus 1 minus root 10 is the smallest value. Next minus 2 is there, 1 also is there, next 2 also is there, next minus 1 plus root 10 is there, minus 1 plus root 10. Okay, and here 5 by 2 also not possible. 5 by 2 means what? 2.5. so the 2.5 is smaller than minus 1 plus root 10, greater than, I observe. Root 10 means what? 3 point something, right? 3 point something minus 1 means 3.1, like that, right? 3.1 minus 1 means 2.1, like that we will get. So 2.1 means what? Which is smaller than 2.5. so here only 5 by 2 is there, that 5 by 2 also what? Excluded. So open bracket, so open bubble I kept, and 2 also not possible, minus 2 also not possible, 1 is possible, dark bubble, these two values also possible, right? Okay, now we can take overall common values. You see, first minus into minus root 10, so let's draw the lines like this, this point is included. Next minus 2 to 2, so this point is also included. Next from this value, right, this is not there, so we can filter. Similarly from this condition, minus infinity to minus 2 up to here. Next 1 is there, 1 is included. Next 2 to infinity, so 2 to means from here onwards up to infinity, like this are there. Now wherever two lines meet, that is the common values, right? Therefore finally x is belongs to where now? Minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 10, it is possible. Next here 1 is the common value, so union singleton set 1. Next here union minus 1 plus root 10 to up to 5 by 2, because 5 by 2 is excluded now, so close up bracket, minus 1 plus root 10 up to 5 by 2, union again 5 by 2 to up to infinity we will get it. Okay, this is the overall domain. Now this is the one we can compare with the given domain. So a value is clearly what happened now, a plus b plus c plus d. See, a value is this one, next this is the b value, next this is the c value, and it is the d value, and e value also same we will get it, right? Okay, now a plus b plus c plus d plus e we have to find. Finally what happened, you see now. So a value is minus 1 minus root 10, minus 1 minus root 10, plus b value is 1, plus c value is minus 1 plus root 10 so minus 1 plus root 10, c value is, or d value is 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2, plus c value is again 5 by 2. This is the value we have to calculate, right? Now root 10 minus root 10 cancel, 1 minus 1 also cancel. Okay, 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 5, 5 minus 1 will be what now? 4 only we will get. So the answer is what now? 4.